Welcome back. Let's see some examples over here. In the question number 1, find the value of this. Okay. So for this, what we can do is, for this, so this is same as log of, so 10 raised to 4. Okay, I can write 10 raised to 4, and this is same as 1 upon 100. Okay, so this is same as log of 10 raised to 4 upon 10 raised to minus 2. Okay, so over here, this is indices over here, this power, this power. So this power we can send outside both. Okay, so I'm sending 4 upon minus 2, and then log of 10 to the base 10. Okay, log of a to the base a is always 1. Okay, therefore this value become 1. Therefore if I cancel this, I'll get minus 2. Okay, so minus 2 is the required answer for this. Okay. What about this? Now log of 3, let's consider whole this as x. Okay, x is equals to 0, is implies 3 raised to 0 is equals to x. Okay, x means this. Okay, x means x equals to log of 3 to the base. So this, let's consider this as a y. 3 raised to 0 is 1. 1 equals to log of y to the base 3. Okay, therefore 3 raised to 1 equals to y. What is y? Y is log of p to the base 3. Okay, so it implies 3 raised to 3. Okay, so 3 raised to 3 is equals to p by law property, or I can say 3 is equals to log of p to the base 3. From here you will get this. Okay, so therefore the value of p is 27. Okay, the value of p is 27. How about here? Okay, for this, what I can do is this same as 2 log of 2, and 8 is same as 2 raised to cube. Okay, and then minus 1 by 3 log of 3. 9 is same as 3 3s are 9, and then 3. Okay, so 2 is same as 2 raised to 1. 2 already we have. This 1 and 3 I can send outside. 1 by 3 into log of 2 to the base 2. This will be 1 minus 1 by 3. So 3 is same as 3 raised to 1. So 1, 2 by 1 I can send outside. 2 by 1. Then log of 3 to the base 3. Sorry, log of 3 to the base 3. This also become 1. So what we have is, we have 2 by 3 over here, minus here also 2 by 3. Okay, so this gets cancelled. The answer is 0.